Imagine a world where you have the MECREGEN system. You have the MECREGEN renewable engine in your SUV. You start your SUV, you have no fuel cost, you have unlimited range, and it's zero emissions. Imagine you drive to your business, it has the MECREGEN renewable generator, you have low electricity cost, it's zero emissions. Imagine you drive home, your house is powered by the MECREGEN renewable generator. Your home produces no emissions, and you have no electricity cost. This is the world with the MECREGEN system. The MECREGEN renewable engine is renewable transportation. Renewable transportation. What is that? It is when any form of transportation does not need external fuels, like gasoline, diesel, or electricity from a battery. There is no refueling. Currently, there is no renewable transportation. We can only transition to electric engines with batteries. The MECREGEN renewable engine is the first clean renewable form of transportation. That means unlimited range. It replaces the combustion engine, sized to fit all forms of transportation. All ground vehicles, from cars to large trucks, and all marine vehicles, from small boats to large ships. The MECREGEN renewable generator is renewable electricity. To generate electricity requires a fuel source, primarily fossil fuels, but the world is transitioning to standard renewables. Standard renewables depend on external fuels, like wind, water, and the sun. The MECREGEN renewable generator is a clean renewable electricity source, which means unlimited duration without external fuels. It generates electricity at any time, any place, and does not depend on batteries. The MECREGEN renewable generator is sized and placed on site for each job. It powers a house. It powers a building. It powers a factory. It powers a microgrid. Anything that needs electricity. Let's sum it up. The MECREGEN system, in either configuration, the MECREGEN renewable engine or the MECREGEN renewable generator, provides the world with clean renewable energy. Ending the world's reliance on fossil fuels, ending the burning of fossil fuels for transportation and electricity generation, and mitigating the increase in climate change. We are bringing the world clean renewable transportation and clean renewable electricity. For more information, go to our website www.mecregen.com. We can be contacted at info@mecregen.com. Thank you for your time.